Harsha and you're watching this video from justtutors.com. In this video, we are going to learn about irrational numbers. But before moving to our today's topic, we'll try a warm-up question. Here is a warm-up question for you. To try this warm-up question, you can pause the video. So as you can see that it's 1 over 4. You need to represent 1 over 4 on a number line. So say we draw a number line here. If this is 0 and this is 1, because 1 over 4 somewhere lies between 0 and 1. Now we'll divide this line into 4 equal parts. So this would be 1 over 4, this is 2 over 4, this is 3 over 4, this is 4 over 4, which is equals to 1. So 1 over 4 is somewhere around here on the number line. So we can say that in this way we can represent 1 over 4 on a number line. Now we move ahead to our topic, which is about irrational numbers. So any number, say a number is s, is called an irrational number if we cannot represent that number in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0. So if we cannot represent any number in the form of p by q, now here comes a question. What if a number is 2? So is it a irrational number? The answer is no, because we can represent 2 as 2 over 1. Now this is in the form of p by q, where q is not equals to 0. So some examples of irrational number are root 2, under root 3, under root 3 over 2, 1 minus under root 5 over 3. Since we know that this sign is of a square root, but if we put 3, 4, whichever number here, that means this is a cube root and so on. So it's a cube root of 17. Now we move ahead to our topic, which is about irrational number on the number line. Say now you need to locate root 2 on the number line. So to locate root 2 on the number line, we'll draw a number line first. So this is the origin O. On the right hand side, if we move on, we can see all the digits are positive numbers, and if we move on to the left hand side, we can see that these are negative numbers. So now to represent root 2, first of all, we'll draw OA of 1 unit. And then we draw AB of 1 unit again. So as you can see that OA and AB each of 1 unit. Now if we join OB, so this is 90 degree, and we can see that OAB is a triangle. So in triangle OAB, by using Pythagoras theorem, we can say that OB square is equals OA square plus AB square, which is OB square equals 1 square plus 1 square. Since OA is 1 unit and AB is also 1 unit, which is equals to 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. So we can say that OB square is 2, or we can say OB is root 2. So now what we can do, we can put a compass here at O, and then we open the compass till B. Then we draw an arc which intersect the point at P, which intersect the number line at P, and this point P represents root 2. So in this way we can mark irrational numbers on the number line, or we can draw a square as well, OABC, where OC and BC is also 1 unit each. Then OB is the diagonal of the square, and in the same way we can repeat the steps and we can locate under root 2 on the number line. Now here is another question which is about under root 3. Now for this also we draw OA, which is of 1 unit. Then AB is again for 1 unit, which will give us OB as under root 2 by using Pythagoras theorem, under root 2 unit. Now if we consider triangle OBD in this picture over here, this is 90 degrees. So again, by using Pythagoras theorem, we can say that OD square equals OB square plus BD square, where BD square is also of 1 unit. So OB is root 2, so root 2 square plus 1 square, which is equals to 2 plus 1, which is equals to 3. So we can say that OD square is 3. This represents OD as under root 3 unit. Now we repeat the step. We'll put the compass over here, then we stretch the compass till this point D, then we draw an arc, and at point Q this will bisect the number line, and this point Q represent under root 3. Now we move ahead and we are going to try a practice question, and in this practice question you need to draw a number line which represents under root 5 on it. So to try this question, you can pause the video. Here the answer for the question. You can match the answers and you should pat your back as you're working really good in understanding how to represent irrational number on the number line. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.